In the name of God, welcome to GIS.ir. In this short session, we intend to use the Python console to access the layer. In fact, we talk to access the layer, the attribute table of that layer, and subsequently the field of that layer. So we use the editor in QGIS, and I will define a variable called layer, and I will access the current active layer using the iFace class. To access the attribute table of the layer, the data provider method will be used. It is clear that the attribute table is taken from the layer. For this, a variable called Puru is defined. You can have your own name. Now we need to receive and fetch all the attribute table fields. In order to do this, we need a for loop to repeatedly fetch all the fields in the layer. Finally, the title of the fields, title of all fields, is displayed to the user using the print method. If you have any question, please ask me and I will try to find a solution. Good luck.